Alright, the audio on this might not be all that great, so I just warmed up the spindle on the CNC and it's a little loud over there. We just cut out the first part and it was a little messed up here, but I'm still going to keep going forward with this one because it's my test bed. So now what I want to do is make sure we have a good cutout. So there's a couple of things I need to solve. The cutout, I didn't do quite deep enough. So this is 1.4375. I probably measured that a little bit because now when I cut the thing out, let me go to this didn't actually cut all the way through. There's still a little onion skin on the bottom, which I don't want. Sometimes it causes breakout. You know what? I was debating doing just a simple cutout, doing a back cutout on this last. Let me see. Maybe I still could. You know, I'm going to. I'm gonna clone this cutout. I'm gonna duplicate it, and I'm only gonna go down 1/8 of an inch. Okay. I don't want to do a last second pass. I've already done that on the front side. So that should not cut through the material. 8, okay, so that should cut out the little onion skin that was left. And I'll still have the tabs underneath, so the material won't mess up on me. So now what I want to do is do this back pocket. And let's see here. Screw free drill, how deep do I go? Go 1/4 of an inch. I'm gonna go just under 1/4 of an inch. 0.23. Again, because of the radius of my 16th inch bit. What I'm debating right now is, do I rearrange all of these so that I have the smallest first, the smallest bits. So I have back pocket, screw head, which I'm not going to do. I'm not doing a flat. So back pocket, insert, back pocket, cutout. That's the first cutout. Okay. So now let me see. Okay, that's easy enough for those. Cool, like that. Back pocket. Lots of back and forth on that. Let's make sure also that I can change the speed. Yep, like that. And I will do a last pass. Is it downward? I do think this is downward, but I can't remember. Working more breaking bits, so up down the CNC. And actually, I'm gonna go grab one. Okay, yep, I need to use the normal downward, so I will. I'm gonna do a reverse direction, and I'm just gonna do 1/32. Calculate that. So this one, back pocket. I need to change this to be. Okay, so this one is doing the downward spiral. I'm also gonna slow it down. And I'm gonna change so they're all downward because remember the material, let's see, the color is deep enough. I'll just be watching it close. I'd rather do a downward spiral. for this pocketing. So yeah, it's not a pocket paper. 3D profile. I think this would be a pocket. Oh, this is the inset. Okay, that's fine. That's just the grade the back is going to sit on. Okay, that's just fine. I don't have an offset that I'm going to use here. Where I found this and I was thinking that's what I want to see. Okay. I want all of these to be the same downward spiral. And I want to make sure that all of them are the same. I'm going to go 60 just to slow it down a bit. I don't trust the bits right now. They're a bit dull. Okay, that one's fine. The back pocket. There's a pocket. That's perfect. Good that. Alright, so preview that. Okay, that should be good. Back pocket inset. Down it in there. Good there. Separate last pass. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I just want to see. I'm going to slow down the preview as well so I can actually see it doing that. Did it not do the last pass? The second last pass. Maybe it's too small of a difference to a choice. I would have thought it would come back. Maybe doesn't like a 30 second. Maybe let's try 16. Or maybe it says no. Alright, well, I'll just forget about that then. I already checked it, but I want to make sure I missed the download. Alright, let me get these back on here. Oh, okay. Okay. That should be good. And then I'll do a little teeny. Oh, actually, I'm going to change this to the intro. I don't know if I have to hit apply. Okay. That should definitely be good. I'm trying to get just recording there. Cool. I think that should be 5244. It should not be 1. That should be 3. $18 cutout time? It's because I've got the fat cutout this low. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. And it's got a lot of passes in here. I would do better to use a 1/2 inch clearing tool. I have a half inch over there. Got a ball nose. Could use. I don't feel like it though. I'll just go with it. Okay, end mill, 16th inch, and the V-bit. Looking like I'm seeing two, V-bit 22 is as well. And diameter of that is number 5, yeah. And number 4 is the downward quarter inch. Okay, we're good there. Side B. Cool. And then we'll save there. Just because I had some bad luck. Okay. I am going to cut off this video and go over to the CNC and load the cheat code and get going. Ready on one bit.